What's up, guys? Welcome back again. So today I received this question since on Friday, and though I already answered the those who asked me this question, and since I just want to put it in the public again so that we can also learn and also take advantage of it in case this happen next time. So this is what happened. The markets, we experienced the crash in the markets on Friday, which has never happened in the history of crypto, according to the experts. And there were a lot of people that lost their funds. The almost 19 billion was liquidated. I actually update that in my Facebook account as well. So the funny thing is that according to your edge, you said when two elephants are fighting, the grass are the one to suffer it, and exactly that is what happened here. Because big boys are the one in the markets, and once a Bitcoin reacts, other tokens also follow. Though trust me, not all tokens as well. But the funny thing is, even USDT also react to these markets. That is the funniest thing. Even USDT drop, spark down, and bounce back, react to the market. So you know what it means for USDT, who happen to be a stable coin, to react to this market. Though it's not that flash, but it also reacts as a flash as well. So the thing is, on Friday, Donald Trump announced to that not announced on the Friday. Donald Trump imposed 100% tariff on Chinese market. So according to the news, their software, especially all these tech software thing, and the tech is all over the world. The tech has taken the world much higher. So on that moment, we have big boys in the market who are controlling the market. That is exactly what happened. So they are now looking at the market. They are looking at Donald Trump to make announcements. If the announcement favor them, they are going to buy. If the announcements go against them, they are going to sell. And that is what happened. Now, this thing was done on both boats and human. But who first started it? It was human being that first started it. One big edge from somewhere else just press sell, and the market react. Just maybe 0.5% react, and we have some automated bots. The those people. What I'm saying is the market entirely from 3.7 trillion drop. So imagine 0.5 of 3.7 trillion drop in the market. How how heavy it is. So we have some automated bots that are being designed that all these traders are using, that once markets react at this point, you don't have option than to sell. So all those bots start selling heavily, and that is the reason why the market reacts so fast. So now, this is reason why I said whenever the elephants fighting, the grass suffered it. The retailers, we the smallers, e.g. the futures traders, they are the grasses that suffered it, because the sports traders, we know that the markets later bounce back. No, even if it doesn't reach our main price, it still rebounds back. But the liquidity of the future traders were the one that suffered it a lot. Imagine 19 billion. That is only on future. 90 billion was lost. No, this is too much. So actually, people actually from there buy themselves because this was too heavy. The though the market later recovered, but not at the point from starting dropping. So now the the markets the markets of those both traders, immediately it dropped. Some of them that already positioned, that once the price hits at support or they hit their resistance, we are dealing with support and resistance now, they should immediately buy back. And for them again, as the market drop, they start buying back. So that is why the future was heavily affected, unlike the sports were a bit okay, because I also have some tokens. I'm holding some tokens and I was able to recover. In fact, I was little lucky. I bought some and it's pump and I sell again. But I just have to take that risk because I lost a lot in that same Friday. I lost from my forex and also I lost on this crypto as well. So that is exactly what happened. And next time, how are you going to position yourself? Is it that you are going to also develop a boat for yourself and position it like that, or what is your opinion? Whatever you think about it. For me, I don't have knowledge of developing the boat for this, but I'm doing my research on how I can also position myself to it, because something something will surely happen again, because Chinese is going to retaliate. And anytime the market, all these big boys are fighting in the market tend to misbehave. So I am definitely waiting for some another round again for Chinese retaliation, because I'm pretty sure that Chinese are no go area. Chinese are very stubborn as well. They're going to react to this. So that is just what happened. And also, in respect to this, our indicator, I received some questions again, though I answered some. Actually, the indicator really worked. The indicator really worked. As you can see, as this indicator give us a selling signal here, right from here, right from here. Though I wasn't in the market on that Friday. On Friday like that, I don't trade much. So assuming we are able to take this sell, we will have made a lot of money on that same Friday. So now, but the question is, some people are complaining that this indicator, before they get to know that they cannot focus on the monitoring it, before they get to know that the indicator has crossed and the market has moved either their way or whereabouts. So now what you need to do is to just go to trading view and set up the indicator alert. And once you set up the indicator alert, anytime the indicator cross like this, it's going to give you alerts. Is either you receive the SMS alert or you receive the email alert. And once you receive, immediately you check it and you see that indicator has crossed, and you can decide to take your action if you really want. So that is just all I have to say regarding to this. So, and maybe I will consider making a tutorial on how to set up the trading view, on how to receive the notification. I'm also working on this boat again, forex boat, on this same indicator, because trust me, I enjoy this indicator as well. I don't use indicator much, but I don't know, I'm very lazy these days in the chatting, organizing all this, drawing a chart. So I also use this indicator, and the way I explain it in my first tutorial, that is how I use this indicator. So I'm working on the one boat like that is going to be giving signal. But to those of us who don't have computer, I don't know what, maybe you are going to get yourself two account on TradingView. You set one for forex, you set one for crypto. So it is what it is. And also, some of us has a question in respect to this indicator again, that can this indicator work on the meme coin? The answer is no. Meme coin is no go area. Like I say, meme coin is gambling, and it can never work in meme coin, because you and I are the one want to pick our profits. So imagine investing just $12 and another big boy from another unknown places come and put like $1 million. You see that your $12 start pumping, and you make money. Let assuming you also invest the same time you invest maybe $1,000, and another big boy, big head from somewhere else try to take profit of 12 million of, and you tend to lose your money, not even a capital, not even profit. You were in loss. So that is how crypto work, and that is how meme coin work. So if you have any question in respect to this, you should ask. I'm gonna give you the question. I'm gonna answer your question. So let me quickly show you the charts to USDT to know that this was very serious. This is USDT, and from here we drop down to here. Look at it, this same Friday. So this is how the team was very serious, and to those who lost their life to this, we say to them, may their soul rest in peace. And please always put the what you can afford to lose, right? That is what the market say. So the market is very volatile, it's very risky. The money you are putting is just, if the money that you know that you cannot use again, if you made the profits, you take it and continue your journey. Don't let your money be in the market much. So that is how you can export. If you put your investments or your capital, the big boys are going to play you, and you will ever regret. So that is just all I have to say.